This signal has caused every Chainlink rally in history, and it is flashing right now. Hello and welcome. My name's Jack, and I've been living my childhood dream of travelling full time for 5 years and counting. I make videos that give you investing information that you can actually use to make real money and avoid those horrible losses. Hit subscribe now, and I'll help you stay on the right side of the market consistently over time. Subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you the only signal that you will ever need to make huge gains with Chainlink and the other altcoins. This signal has caused every rally in Chainlink's history, so stick around until the end of the video and I'll make sure you leave with a strategy to keep growing your wealth consistently with Chainlink over time. Okay, so the signal. So I'm going to walk you through how you can add this to your chart and how you can use this even when I am not here to help you. So what you're going to do is, firstly, the asset, you're going to go to whatever altcoin you want. Today we're looking at Chainlink, so we're going to go Link USDT. Time frame, you're going to go 3-day time frame. The signal is specifically used for the 3-day if you want to get these accurate signals. The indicator is this green line here, and this, guys, is the 50 SMA on the 3-day time frame. It's simple, it's easy, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this, guys. You're following a stupid line on the chart that is going to make the world a difference to you. So the actual signal here, guys, is we are looking for the break above the green line here on the 3-day time frame. Whenever you see a candle close above this green line, now it can't just pop above it, it needs to actually close, right? Whenever you see a candle like this that has just closed above the green line, that is your signal to buy. Okay, so if we look at other times in history when this has happened, so luckily on Chainlink we do have quite a bit of data, so let's go through it. So the last time the signal actually triggered was November of 24, and you can see after that signal triggered, you had a fantastic rally of over 140%. The next time that happened was here in May of 24, and that was a small rally of 12%, but it ended up getting invalidated shortly after. If we look back a little bit further, you can see the next one here was in September of 23, right before an explosive 240% rally. There are some fake outs, as you can see this range that we had here, but if we go further back, you can see generally, guys, this signal predicts these higher moves in the price of Chainlink or any other altcoin, right? So that is the signal, and if we look, guys, at what's happening right now, this signal has just triggered, and this is now confirmed. This candle has closed already, so this signal is now active, is what I'm saying. Okay, now your action here then, what I have done is, typically one of my rules is that if rule number 1, Bitcoin itself must be in a bull market, and it is right now. Rule number 2, the asset must have closed a 3-day candle above our green line here. Check, that one is done. So I have now entered a position on Chainlink. You learning something new in this video? Take 1 second right now to hit subscribe so I can help you in the future. I'm going to show you how you can actually use the signal to keep you on the right side of the market. So if you've ever been in this position that you've bought your altcoin, you've made a lot of money with it, but then the market has turned and it's just wiped out all of your gains, this is the kind of strategy that you need to help you avoid that. Because what you can use for this, guys, is that whenever you see the candle close back below this green line, that's your invalidation. And if you do this, guys, that kept you out of, say you bought here in November of 24 and you sold here in February, once you got that close below, you saved yourself from a 42% loss. If we go back even further, let's go back to the last time, which would be here in June of 24, close below, you saved yourself from a 50% loss. And you can see time and time again, once you sell below, once it goes below that green line, that's how you're saving yourself from those awful losses, because you don't want to be the one left behind holding the bag, right? So one way, that's your exits covered. In terms of taking profit, then what you're going to look for, guys, is you're going to go out to the weekly time frame and you're going to look for the key pivot points, right? So if we're looking here on the chart of Chainlink, you can see very clearly a couple of pivot points. The first one here really being this level here. Just move myself out of the way. As you can see, a pivot point, guys, is an area on the chart where price has consistently turned around at. So you can see this level here, price rejected it here in March of 24, it rejected it here in December of 24, and you can see it was where the price rejected it here in December of 2021 along with a few other moments here. So you can see this is a very key level. Above that then you would have this level here. Okay, so what we do here, guys, is simple. We just set sell orders at these levels that will sell some of your Chainlink automatically, so you can then have capital available to rebuy back in when Chainlink inevitably corrects here, because most time things very rarely move up in a straight line, guys. Normally the price will come up, it will reject this level, and it will pull back, and you can re-enter again. So guys, it has been a pleasure presenting this video to you. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.